In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect your Zoho Books account with Shopify. This integration will help streamline your business processes by automating data entry and ensuring your financial records are up to date. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps to set this up. To begin, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to the Zoho Books website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so using your account credentials. It's always a good idea to have your login details handy for services you're integrating, so if you need to, take a moment to retrieve those details. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. It's packed with features that can help manage your business's finances, but for today, we'll focus on the integration aspect. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see a menu. Look for the Settings tab. It's nestled amongst other useful options, and once you find it, click to open up further settings choices. Within the settings, you'll want to locate Connections under the Developer section. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to linking Zoho Books with other platforms. Once you've clicked on Connections, you'll be greeted with the option to create a new connection. Exciting, right? This is where you'll enable Zoho Books to communicate with Shopify. In the search bar provided, type Shopify and let the system find the appropriate integration tool for you. This search feature is particularly helpful as Zoho Books can integrate with numerous platforms, and this functionality allows you to pinpoint exactly what you need without sifting through multiple options. After you've located Shopify, follow the prompts to establish the connection. You'll be guided through an authorization process where you'll allow Zoho Books to access your Shopify data. Don't worry, this is a standard and secure procedure designed to keep your data safe while enabling seamless interaction between the two platforms. And just like that, you're finished. You've now successfully set up a connection between Zoho Books and Shopify. Thanks to this integration, your sales data from Shopify will automatically be reflected in your Zoho Books account, saving you time and reducing the potential for errors from manual data entry. You can now focus on more strategic aspects of your business, knowing that your finances are accurately tracked and recorded. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your business processes a bit smoother. Feel free to explore more settings and uncover additional integrations that can further enhance the efficiency of your business operations. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep optimizing and automating your workflows.